What is up, guys? Average Gear Reviewer here, back with another quick little unboxing for you. In this one, we are going to be taking a look at the wood stand organizer, or the wood nightstand organizer from OneTigris. I'm super interested to show this to you guys. It's really cool. It's a neat way to put your EDC kind of together. I know that if you're like me, you probably have a lot of different ways of storing your EDC, from the purposeful to the eye-catching, when you're just showing off, to the shameless plugging. To just what you threw together. Something that's color-coded, to an elegant storage solution that's just designed to bring everything together for you. And that's the OneTigris Wood Phone organizer. We'll be taking a look at that. So without further ado, let's get.
Welcome to Average Gear Review, where the best gear is the gear you have on.
Over to the top-down view, taking a look at the OneTigris Wood Phone docking station. Now this is what it's going to look like when it's all put together, but I did want to show you guys just how easy this really is to put together. I will have a link, and I'll put a card up here somewhere in the video. I'm not really sure where, because I'm kind of shooting this out of order, but I just wanted to go through real quick and put this together with you guys and just show you kind of how easy it is. It does have good instructions here, it looks like, to walk you through everything. You can kind of see there. And it does come with a screwdriver. So it's got a couple of pieces of felt here that are going to go on the frame, but we're going to set this to the side for now, just so you're aware of where those went. And this is going to be the back panel. It sits about like this, I believe. Let me set that right here for just a second. This is going to be the arm brace. And the cool thing about this is it gives you one space to really pull a lot of different gear together. And this is, I believe this is the part that you can put your pistol on. That's I believe this is your phone mount. This is styrofoam. Guys, make sure you leave a like on the video and subscribe for future content, because it's only uphill from here. And then here's the base, so you can see where everything kind of goes into the base there, and then your felt goes here and gives you areas to put some protected things. And I've been looking for something like this because, like I showed you at the beginning of the video, I have used a lot of different kind of organization techniques for gear, and I know if you guys, have collected a lot of stuff, you probably do the same thing. Just one way of keeping everything never really seems to work out. Wouldn't be a video if I didn't drop something, right? So I think this is how this piece is going to go in. This piece goes in here. Okay, and I think this actually mounts there. And then that's going to sit over that. And this, I'm not really sure how that mounts. Oh, okay. So what we got to do is get into this handy little bag of tricks that it comes with. Like I said, it comes with a little screwdriver, so that's kind of cool. Kind of a neat little screwdriver. I like that. Really grippy. Looks like it has some foot pads that we can stick on the bottom. I'll put those over here by the felt. But yeah, I'd love to hear in the comments what you guys are using for any kind of EDC organization. I'm always looking for tips. You know, there's you kind of run out of. Seems like you kind of end up running out of ideas or ways to store things. The more stuff that you get, I'm gonna have to invest in some cases. You guys should give me some suggestions on some good knife cases. So I'm gonna try to keep this in the frame so we can see what we're doing here. It looks like you've got 3 screws that go in the bottom here. And that's basically going to tie everything together. Now it comes with 4 screws, and maybe that will be more apparent here in a minute why, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and hook these up. Yeah, I can't wait to get this set up and actually put my stuff on it. And I don't want to over tighten this because I'm like the world's worst at over tightening stuff. I like the shear bolts off because you just got to make sure they're really in there tight, and just overdo it sometimes. Make sure those are good and flush. See, I don't want to strip those out because I'm not sure if they're just screwing into the wood or if they've got metal sleeves. I think they're just screwing into the wood, so definitely don't want to strip out the screws. All right. And then, like I said, it's got the felt pieces that you put here and here. And I guess, I don't know, does it come with any? Well, look at there. I was wondering if it had a way, maybe just use some 2-sided tape or something, but I think it actually has. If I'm running this OneTigris, I'm really sorry. No, so it's got some adhesive on the back. If I line that up, is good. And boom. Then we'll do this one the same way. Yeah, like I said, super easy to put together. There's no tools required at all, except for the one that it actually comes with. So, you know, you don't have to have any pre-existing tools, I guess I should say. No additional tools. There we go. No additional tools required. So, all right, and then this. Okay, so maybe that's why it pops out. Now this is for your gun holder. So, like I said, it gives you a place to put a lot of your different EDC gear, and I really like that because, you know, I'd like to have a place to put all my stuff together in one place on the nightstand and be able to get to it easily, you know. Or if you just wanted to use it as like a type of display, that would work really well too, I think. Let's see if I missed a step here. Let's try that again. Okay. All right. Now it's got it. So then I guess you just pistol like that. I need to lower mine just a little. Yeah. Look like you got to cant this just a little bit here for it to actually work. Oh boy, that was dangerous. Okay, so got that. Now I'm assuming if you have your mag in, yeah, it sits a lot better. I guess it was just with the mag out, it didn't really want to sit there. But yeah, that's about it. It's pretty easy to put together. And then so anyway, you can put these, I still don't know exactly what this extra screw is for. I guess it's in case you lose one. So basically what you got a place for now is just like a tray where you can put all your stuff. This has got a charger, so if you've got a Apple Watch, your round charger will fit just right in there. I've got an Android, so I'm going to have to try to figure out exactly how to get my charger in there, but basically your watch sits there. Got a place to put your earbuds here. You already know. Pistol mount. Then you can put some of your other little goodies, in the tray here. Put your cell phone, and it's even got a notch here underneath the cell phone holder where you can run the charger through. So I'll have to run the charger through on those, and just see how that's going to look. But yeah, I like it. It's got just enough room for everything. Because this is kind of what I've been looking for, is something to just pull all my gear together, a place to put everything. So yeah, overall I'm really impressed with it. It's very easy to put together. It's got a pretty small footprint for what all you can put on here. And like I said, you can put, you can really configure your stuff however you want. You can have your flashlight over here, have your pen, wallet, knife there. Really set it kind of however you want. So how would you guys set yours up if you were setting yours up? Would you have your Apple Watch here? Would you have an Android watch? What type of pistol would you have in your pistol mount? What kind of flashlight do you like to keep by your bed? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. But yeah, like I said, I'll put a link up here for it. So if you want to pick one up, it is the OneTigris Wood Phone docking station. And really that, to me, seems like it's kind of an understatement for what all you can do. It's a phone charging station. It's a gun mount, for your bedside. If you want to keep a pistol at your bedside, you can mount it there. Keep all your little goodies that you might need during the night here at hand, your wallet, watch. You probably find a place to put your keys on here too. But, like I said, you can plug the phone in through there and actually charge the phone while it's on here. Put your charger on the back and actually charge your watch while it's hanging up. So that's really cool. Definitely going to set that up and put that in a cool place for a display. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the OneTigris Wood Phone docking station. And again, I'm really sorry that I kind of put this video ahead of the Blackout EDC video that I'm doing. But I'm waiting on a little bit of community feedback from that one. So guys, go check out my community posts where I'm talking about the Blackout EDC and answer the poll there and let me know what you think. But anyway, as always, guys, like I always say, always be carrying. In the case of this, you can always be carrying even overnight, I guess. So yeah, yeah, remember the best gear is the gear you have on you, or right at your bedside, I guess. Anyway, I'll stop there. All right, guys, have a great day. And Average Gear Reviewer, I'm out of here.
Average gear review. But the best gear is the gear you have on you.